Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. We have some pretty cool stuff this week, so let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I wanted to show y'all is we will have the a la carte extras of the 8-year kit. So this is the kit itself, if you haven't seen it. So you'll be able to purchase the kit on its own, the foil bundle on its own, the vinyls, doodle, all of it on its own. So this is the kit. It is the larger version of the kit. I think we have another kit this size available as well. Was it the Cyber Monday Mystery? Maybe it was this size, but you get the ultimate kit. And then there's also the extra colors, the label, extra color in 2 extra boxes, and then the like fashion and the 15mm. So the extras of those will be available. Everything is limited. I think the thing that we have the most of is, I think, the vinyls. So I might put these in the same listing and then do like a buy all with a discount for these. So these are on clear paper. I had a lot of trouble getting these up in the initial video as well, but I love this art. I already used this kit. Let me show y'all what it looked like in case you didn't see the video. It's absolutely beautiful. Probably one of my favorite spreads this year so far, but these are on clear vinyl waterproof sticker paper. So perfection. Then there's the doodle sheet if you want to pick up extras of those. There is also the quote boxes. There's this one here. I'll show you it in silver that has a as if, what like it's hard, hey now, this is what dreams are made of. And this outfit has major Polly Pocket vibes in the 5 foils. So you have gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. And then there's this one here, which is the corrected version that has the like actual letters on it. I finally got that one. And this is in gold, silver, rose, hollow. And then I think there's sparkly hollow. I asked Kirsten to double check when she is at work tomorrow. But if there is one, it'll also be listed. We had to have them like remake these because there was like an oops on the product, which it was discounted in the bundle. And then last but not least, there is also the foil bundle to be available, extras as well. So you do have the 2 pages that have the full box overlays and the glitter header overlays, the 2 pages of the bougie boxes in hollow, the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers deco, the date numbers, and then the 15mm overlay. This is super cute and will go with a lot of spreads. So that is the like Y2K 8-year bundle extras. Then there is also going to be a new color of the week, and this one is like a rose gold sparkle. Super, super pretty. And it is in the normal 10 pages. So you have page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And there will be a buy all bundle with a slight discount available as well. And I think this is so beautiful and will match a lot of spreads. Love that. Then we also do have some new characters for this week. So the first one is in the pop culture section, and this is a little Buzz Lightyear. Don't know too much about the movie otherwise, so I wanted to do some buzzes, but he also works well for like Toy Story movies, Disney spreads, and things like that. And then for the scribblers, there is a cleaning sheet. And again, this is in the 1 through 6 FAM format. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are so cute and I am obsessed with them. I actually need to get them on a freebie. I think that'd be super cute to have like an order freebie. So need to put that on my to-do list. Somebody remind me in the comments because I know by the time I'm done with this video, I will have forgotten already. The next thing that we have here, I'm actually going to pull it up on my like production board on my phone so I can quote y'all what is in this. But we did something like this, I think like maybe 2 months ago. And this is kind of like an alternative version of it. So let me go ahead and pull this up. So where is this? Okay, so this is a destash cello, and I think the one we did before had ultimate kits. This one has mini, so let me show you what this looks like. So these would be in the old format, and basically this will be 4 Misfit mini kits. I think the last time we did it was all mystery or something like that. Y'all remember, but it sold out pretty quickly. So this one is 4 mini kits. They are Misfits. So this one is just an example. This has Cat Cafe, and it also has Bunny Crossing, the June 2021 Mystery, and also the May 2021 Mystery. So this one could have kits from shop or mystery kits. It could be a mixture, any kit in the old format. So this is just an example. So it will have 4 Misfit mini kits, could be in shop or mystery, and then it will also have 4 old format foil bundles. This one has like a sparkly pinkish orange. This one has a lavender, oh, that one's in star. This one is a star lavender holo. This one is a Misfit black, I think it's like an oil slick of sorts. And then this one is a sparkly blue. And if you've never seen this format, this one is the one that has the 15 millimeter strips. It has icons, scripts, deco, food and drink icons, circle icons, date numbers, full box overlays. These are half cut headers and these are header overlays, and you get 6 pages of these. So that is, but it could be any of the old format foil bundles. So this again is the 4 Misfit mini kits and the 4 discontinued foil bundles. It is limited and it will be available for $20, $19.95. So those are limited. So if you want to pick up those, I would definitely check the new releases out Wednesday at noon Eastern for those. And if you order more than one of these, we can't guarantee difference though, like any grab bag that we have in shop. Then let's get into the 2 other kits coming to the shop this week. So the first one here, we'll go through the reformat. This one's an old reformat. I don't know if I ever reformatted this, but I love it. I think this would go so well with so many different foils. And this is called Holo Party. This is exclusive art, and it was initially made for, it was made with like the idea of Kirsten's baby showers theme in mind. I think that's what it was. So this is so pretty. I love the colors. Again, I feel like you could use so many different foils with this. Like you could do like a pink, a blue, a purple, or you could do silver, you could do holo, you could do sparkly holo, you could do lavender holo. Like there's just so many options. You could do like if you had like a pastel rainbow. There's just so many. There's so many. Hold on, let me see something actually. Do I have something that would match this? I think I do. So pretty. So you have the full boxes here. You have the faux, like, colorful glitter throughout. It looks almost like a holo glitter. You have the glitter header and the extra boxes, the half boxes. I have been using this page so much when I've been using the new format. I love those box sizes, the little things, the solid, the pattern labels, and then the bottom washi, which I'm obsessed with. Perfect for a quote box there with that full box. And then the extra box is Oh Baby. So you can either do Happy Birthday, HBD, or you could do the Oh Baby. And I thought that was super cute and made this kit a little bit more diverse in the different things that you could use it for. So that is Holo Party. And this kit also will, if I can pick it up, will be coming in a mini kit as well. And then there are some add-on options. So the first one is a doodle sampler if you want to add that on. There is the functional, there is the ombre, there is the label sampler, and then we also do have fam options. These fam options are all full box size. There's no tall box. So you do have the 2 kiddos, and then you do have the 2 fashion options, this one presumably being pregnant for the like baby shower kind of element. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Super cute, and I'm glad to see that one back. And then last but not least, I am so excited about this kit. It makes me want to go see something on Broadway. This is theater, and I feel like Jess of Kitten just killed this art. It is so damn pretty. So first thing that you have here is the most gorgeous fashion options, and then I'll show you on the fashion box too. It's just like she's just killing it. Then you have the makeup here, flowers, a little outfit flat lay with the rose petals in the background, someone working like kind of like backstage. Then you have the champagne and the glasses, the beautiful theater scene. And then over here you have, This is like a Wicked script, and then it just says a really awesome play, and then the little theater tickets with the rose petals everywhere. And I am obsessed with this kit. This is another one I feel like you could do a lot of things with foil, but like how pretty would this foil bundle that came out yesterday look with this? This is the shimmer with like the stars in the like gold and the mixed metal. I think this would be a stunning combo. I love that. Or you could totally, I think, bringing in like a red foil too, like for accents, because there is a lot of red in this kit. But it's not like one of the main colors. So I think red would be a really cool like addition as well. So here you have the deco, and I love these colors. It reminds me a lot of Cheers, but like a little bit cooler toned. I just am obsessed. You have your extra boxes here. So here you have like is it a violin, some sheet music, the flowers, and then the like ballerina slippers. Then you have the half box page and the square boxes, the label or little things, labels, pattern labels, bottom washi. I love like the curtain. And then you have the box here with the hand holding the playbill, which we are going to see more of that in a second. But that's just the one that is I put in the kit. And then you also have for the full box, or for the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate, there's additional boxes. So you have this hands clinking glasses, and then also the stage door. So there's a lot of full boxes in this kit, and you're gonna see there is a lot of add-on options available as well. So let's go ahead into the add-ons. Of course, there is a mini kit option as well. And then for add-ons, it's such a thick stack. So we have the doodles, we have the functional, we have the ombre, the label, the fashion boxes, and then we have, so that's fashion for this one, right? And then we have fan boxes. I just can't. They're just all so pretty, and I want to use them all in every skin tone, hair color, because every one of them is so perfect. So you have the tall box, stunning. You have this girl from behind her hair, stunning. You have this girl just looking all mysterious and cute, beautiful. So this is fam 1, fam 2, fam 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? Then on top of it, and I was like trying to figure out how I could do this, and I was going to try and do all of the combos, but we're looking at over like 40 pages or something like that. So I wanted to do the playbills, and each playbill that was offered in the art set is here. It's just like in varying skin tone options, just because like I said, that would be so many options. If I did all of each playbill in every skin tone, I tried doing the math. So you have the Hamilton one that comes in the kit on the bottom washi page, and then there are 3 other pages as well if you want to pick these up. So this is page number 1. So basically they all have the playbill in hand with cute little, like, you can't even really see it, but if you had like the file, you could see she has like little stars on her nails. And then she has like the little, like the happy face. I don't know what that's even like called, with some like rose petals, like tattoo. This is actually the hand from I'm a Fake, and just kind of like edited it out. And then you have the name of whatever show is on the playbill is the name on the, like, what is it called? The queue? No, you don't know what I'm talking about. Somebody let me know. But this is page 1. Then you have page 2. And then there is page 3 with my favorite of all time, which is Wicked. My second favorite is probably Lion King, because I feel like Lion King's just like, you can't not love Lion King. Lion King's just amazing. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. I am super, super excited for everything coming to the shop. I just feel like, especially even like the reformats, I'm just like hyped about them all. The characters, the foil bundles, the kits, everything is just perfection. I hope that y'all love everything. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you have any questions, also let me know down below, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.